Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 6, Day 2. Our topic for today is when light hits a shiny object. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Look at yourself using a mirror. What do you see when you look at a mirror? Correct, I see myself in the mirror. What other objects can you use to see yourself like a mirror? Answers may vary as long as the object is shiny. Lesson, purpose, intention. In the previous lesson, you learned that a shadow is formed when light hits an opaque object. In today's lesson, you will learn that what happens when light hits a shiny surface. Lesson language practice. Shiny, a surface that reflects light and looks bright or glossy. The sun on the water is shiny. Bounce, when light or an object hits a surface and comes back. Example, a ball bounces on the floor, light can bounce off a mirror. Reflect, when light hits a surface and changes direction. Example, light reflects off a mirror and helps you see yourself. Reflection, the image or light that is seen after it is reflected. Example, you can see your reflection in the water or a mirror. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 2. What happens when light hits a shiny object? Number 1. Tell the learners to read the activity title and objectives out loud. Number 2. Explain that they will investigate what will happen to light when it hits a shiny object. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Tell the learners to do step 1 to 13. They will trace the path of light from a flashlight as it hits a mirror and then travels to the cardboard screen. Number 2. Tell the learners to do steps 14 to 16. They will repeat the activity but this time, they will move the flashlight to a different location in front of the mirror. Ask them to answer guide question 1. How can you describe the path of light from the flashlight to the cardboard using the traces you made? The path of the light from the flashlight to the mirror is a straight line. Then, the path of light from the mirror to the cardboard is also a straight line. The two lines look like a V with the intersection at the mirror. Number 4. Tell the learners to imagine that the light from the flashlight was a basketball and the mirror was the floor. If they dribble the basketball, what happens? It bounces after hitting the floor. Tell the learners what you observe is similar to the case of the bouncing basketball. 6. Tell the learners to answer guide question 2 and 3. Question 2. What happened to the light when it hit the mirror? The light seems to bounce off the mirror to the cardboard. Question 3. What did the mirror do to the light from the flashlight? It bounced off the light to the cardboard. Ask, what other words can we use for bounce? Correct. Reflect. 9. Ask the learners to use the word reflect to describe what happened to the light when it was pointed at a mirror. The light from the flashlight was reflected by the mirror to the cardboard, or the light bounced off from the mirror to the cardboard. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Tell the learners to answer guide question 4. What other objects can you use to replace the mirror in the activity? Explain your answer. You can accept all possible answers any object with a shiny surface. Activity light relay. Using small mirrors, instruct a team of 3 learners to direct a flashlight to an object in their classroom. The learners should hold the mirrors against their stomach with the shiny side facing outward. They will be positioned at random fixed location in front of their classroom. The learners are only allowed to rotate their bodies in their fixed location to pass the reflected light to their teammates. The teacher will point the flashlight to one student who should reflect the light to another classmate who in turn should reflect the light to the target object. The teacher should make sure to remind the learners not to direct the reflected light to the faces of the other learners in the classroom. Ask, how did you know how to position each mirror properly? The answer may vary. If you were not given a mirror, what other objects can you use to complete the task? Accept all possible answers as long as the objects are shiny. What is common among all those objects? All the objects are shiny. What happens when light hits a shiny object? Light is reflected when it hits a shiny surface. Tell the learners that the property of light to be reflected when it hits a shiny surface is called reflection. Making generalization and abstraction. Ask the learners to state what they have learned in this lesson. When light hits a shiny object like a mirror, it is reflected or bounces off the object. This property of light is called reflection. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each statement carefully. Write true or false. Number 1. Light can bounce off a shiny surface. Number 2. A mirror is a shiny object that can reflect light. Number 3. Light passes through all shiny surfaces without changing direction. Number 4. Reflection happens when light hits a surface and changes direction. Number 5. A rough surface reflects light in the same way as a shiny surface. Here are the correct answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!